Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to hide any kind of discoloration or dark circles or fine lines around your eyes. As you can see, I don't have that much dark circles, but I have fine lines around my eyes, and I'm going to hide it with the help of Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. So if you want to know how I just do this, then please keep on watching. So I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Caramel. It has orange undertone. You can use any other orange corrector, orange concealer, whatever you have, but this concealer is very easy to apply. I'm directly applying it under my eyes and also a little bit around my mouth because I also have some discoloration on that area. Now to set the concealer or to blend the concealer, I'm using my fingertips because fingertips is the best way to set the concealer on that right place or right zone wherever you have discoloration or fine lines. Because we don't have to spread it, we have to just blend it on that right place. So fingertips is the best way for that. And the skin around our eyes is very delicate, very thin, so I have to be very careful about that. Now after blending the concealer with the help of our fingertips, we have to set it with any translucent or any loose powder or any banana powder. I have this banana powder from Sugar Cosmetics, All Set to Go banana powder, and I'm taking a very little amount on the sponge applicator it comes with, and just blending the concealer or the orange corrector I have applied. It's just to make sure that when we're going to apply any concealer or foundation on top of that, it doesn't spread out. So I'm using Miss Claire Full Coverage Makeup and mixing it with my 2-3 drops of my essential oil because it's very thick on my skin. I'm blending it with my damp beauty blender. Now again I'm using this Photo Focus concealer from Wet n Wild in the shade Medium Peach to highlight my under eyes. As you can see, the concealer or the orange corrector doesn't spreading out with my foundation or concealer I have applied on top of that. It's only because I have set the concealer with banana powder. So that's a theory. After using any orange corrector, you have to set it with any translucent or loose powder or banana powder. So I'm blending my concealer with the same damp beauty blender. Now I'm going to bake my face or bake my concealer with the same banana powder from Sugar Cosmetics for 5 minutes. If you want any details about baking, let me know. I'll love to make any separate video on just baking only. So after 5 minutes, I'm dusting off my excess powder and also going to set my whole face with that excess powder on my brush. Now here comes my final result. As you can clearly see the difference, that's my first clip and this is my final clip. So that's how easily you can hide your dark circles or discoloration with the help of any orange corrector or Maybelline Age Refined Concealer in the shade Caramel. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.